Find or read reviews that people are talking about OOTDAY Apartment Washing Machine. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Energy efficient and quiet. This mini washing machine is equipped with a high-quality motor that delivers a stable power output, providing substantial savings for your home. Its powerful soundproof design ensures minimal noise during operation, creating a quiet washing environment. 10 wash programs and 8 water level. This portable washing machine has 10 programs: standard, soft, quick wash, heavy duty, soak wash, wash only, spin only, tub clean, tub air dry, and water recycle. 8 water levels: 1 to 2 is the minimum, 3 to 4 is low, 5 to 6 is middle, and 7 to 8 is high. You can adjust different washing modes and control the water level. Different clothes have different washing and water level requirements. You can adjust them according to your needs. Space saving. Size: 21x21x35 inches. Floor area: 2.3 cubic feet. This compact washing machine can be easily stored in your room, RV, and dorm without taking up too much space. The top-load washer machine can hold up to 17.7 pounds of fabrics, such as t-shirts, 22 pieces, trousers, 10 pieces, shirts, 18 pieces, sheets, 1 set, and more. Rotating drum hand scrub design. Our automatic washing machine features a unique hand scrub design. The wheel and inner drum rotate in reverse while washing, providing a cushioned clean that removes dirt while protecting your clothes from damage. Your clothes will keep their shape without stretching and also thoroughly cleaned without tangles or knots. Automatic balance adjustment. This portable clothes washing machine is equipped with automatic balance adjustment. During operation, if the uneven placement of clothes in the washing drum causes severe vibration, the unbalance adjustment function of our mini washing machine will automatically start to adjust the unbalanced situation to help you wash your clothes in all aspects. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. Please press like button and share this video with your friends. Last, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.